We're here at the Canfield Fair. First time here, Canfield, Ohio. Reithoffer Shows is doing the midway. KMG Freakout, but the ride I'm really interested in seeing is this Huss Flipper, or Huss Tornado, I guess it's called here. First time I've ever seen one of these in person. To me, it's like a Tilt-A-Whirl on steroids. It goes spinning around at a pretty good speed. Those cars start to spin. I'll pass on this one, but it'll be interesting to see how it works. So here goes, a Huss Flipper. That thing moves pretty quick. Yeah, that really goes quick. Let's see, you can... I think we'll be staying off of this. It's a rather loud ride, that's for sure. I honestly think this is only like one of 3 touring the country. I could be wrong. Pretty long ride cycle too. So anyhow, there's a Huss Tornado, Flipper, whatever you want to call it. Not something I'm going to be riding. We'll take a look around, see what we got here. A little bit better view of the freakout. I wouldn't expect to see too many POV rides today because all these people here are waiting. Well, most of these people there are waiting to go on the freakout. So I think we will be passing on the rides. That's right, it saves me a few bucks.
Jess, the line starts here. Okay. We should have got on everything.
It's right up here.
I'll get you a better shot of the people. It's like a sea of people here. More than the Ohio State Fair. And again, I got the Ohio State Fair like at 10 o'clock, so. I'll shoot down the midway a bit. You got a croon Dutch wheel down there. There's like another Zyklon type coaster. The aforementioned Tornado we saw before. Freakout's loading. And then over here we've got, looks like an ARM Vertigo. I always like to zoom in on the swings. But there's the line for the Vertigo. It's just lines crossing into lines. There's the Flipper again, Tornado, whatever. So take a look at some of the other rides. Right. We have to be quick here. Don't want to get a copyright strike for music. I swear to God, these tornado rides used to get lifted off the ground, but it doesn't seem like they do anymore. I'm sorry, Typhoon, because the other ride is the Tornado. I see how they operate. Alright. Thought Reithoffer would have a better Himalaya ride. I got an ARM full tilt. This may have been a chance inverter based on the top, I'm not sure, but basically a flying carpet, but the thing tilts forward a little bit. Maybe here? Nope. Maybe it doesn't tilt. The awkwardly named full tilt that doesn't tilt. Oh, no, no, no. Guess not, no tilt. By the way, there's another shot of all the people coming in. It's pretty crazy. And of course, it wouldn't be a fair without blanket and other rube associated things. Over here, we've got a Interpark Zyklon, whatever. It's got three trains going. Okay. Now, while a new credit is always appreciated, yeah, I think we're gonna pass on any credit here. Wow. I guess that's what you get for going to a fair on a Saturday. There's the Dutch wheel, which is, I think, identical to the model at Knoebels. That one's missing the top. So with an alternate view of the Zyklon, Wild Mouse, whatever they call it here. I didn't see a name. It makes a lot of noise. Can't have a carnival without a zipper either. Kind of looks like an older model. Cars are a little rusted. never ridden a zipper. I don't ever plan to. Claustrophobic cars. Maybe when I was like 12 I'd probably like this, but not now. Right next door we've got a Tidal Wave. Appears to be a rethemed Chance Thunderbolt. I was looking at the ride ticket prices. It says 5 tickets for this one, and for most of the big rides, it's 5 tickets. It's $1.25 a ticket. So, looking at $7 for a ride on a Matterhorn, that's a little crazy. Surprisingly, not a bad ride lineup. I mean, for a fair that's in the middle of nowhere, I thought like this actually seems to have a pretty decent sized midway. Kind of hoping for a horn or a siren. Doesn't seem like there is one. Now the Sizzler runs. At least you get a decent ride cycle because that's still going. That's just starting to stop. It's a pretty good cycle for $7. Alright, some more stuff. There was an Arctic Blast ride I saw. I just need to find that. There's a Tilt-A-Whirl, which looks like it's coming to a halt. Yeah, it did. There's the Junior Wheel. Still pretty decent size. Then we've got ourselves a Chance Yo-Yo. Ah, there, yeah, maybe. I don't know, but over here, it's a Wacky Worm. And apparently the yo-yo does not tilt because it just came to a landing. And the Wacky Worm people get to go twice. That's it, it's done. A little better view of the Tilt-A-Whirl. No offense to any of my smoking viewers here, as I used to smoke myself, but I have never seen, I don't think I've ever seen a fair where it looks like 90% of the people have ciggies in their hands and are smoking them. That's pretty crazy. But hey, smoking rates are down in the US, allegedly. Our stop here is the Arctic Blast. There's actually more rides that I didn't realize. But in any case, this is a Mack Caterpillar. I'll get it in motion once it gets going. You can see the cars are formerly Caterpillar cars. These used to have a hood at one time. I think I've only ever, this is the first time I've seen one of these in person too.
starting to pick up. It's starting to pick up. Come on, guys, make some noise out there. Oh, wow, one more time, nice and loud. All right, that's what we're talking about.
They need siren.
All right, cool. I like that. If it will load. There we go. Who's shooting happiness, everybody? The project next week, guys. Here we go.
See, orbiters seem to be popping up at all these fairs lately too. That's so funny when you watch my Busch Gardens video. Their orbiter runs a little slow compared to this. Well, excuse me, Reithoffer Shows. I was just about to go ask you if you could predict the weather for me, but no. And what's this one? Bad weather is not a reason for a refund. Purchase at your own risk. Wow. We got our another Carnival classic Gravitron, Starship 2000, 3000, 4000, Alien Abduction, Centrifuge, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same ride. No POVs on this. This doesn't seem like my type of fun. Thing gets up to speed in a hurry though. And it's still weird the operator's inside, in the middle. Oh well. Let's do a quick scan. And that's pretty much it for the 2019 Canfield Fair. Thanks for joining us.